Welcome to another Cooking with Matt. I'm your host, Matt, and today I'm going to be pulling some pork. So, Cosmo did all the hard work for me. All I got to do is separate it and add some Dirty Bird Hot to it. Pan it up. So, what you want to do is separate small chunks, pull them apart, take away any fat, and then put them in the pan over here. There's UPS. Well, pause. In case you guys didn't know, pulled pork is from a pig. It's the only animal with a good tasting butt. That's delicious. Another tip, you want to stay clear of that molten hot liquid on the bottom of that foil. And that is how you pull the bone out clean.
Man, they're doing Cooking with Matt again. I'm not the worst cook here.
Not to eat it, Dewey. Did he wash his hands?
After you apply a heavy coat of Dirty Bird Hot, it's time to mix them up. Thank you for joining me for another episode of Cooking with Matt.